When your day begins with some great thoughts, you regain lot of mental strength to make your day a successful one. Believe me, you can overcome all sorts of hurdles in your life the moment the mind is filled with positive and life changing thoughts. Therefore, it is my personal advice from homeschools.com, when you feel bad, devastated, and demotivated, please go through some books on motivation or see some video of great quotes to regain your mental strength. Today from homeschools.com, we are going to present some life changing quotes that will surely enlighten your mind and strengthen your thoughts. So please listen these quotes with undivided attention. And if you have not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe it now to get the notification of such video in future. What you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create. To conquer oneself is a greater task than conquering others. It's better to conquer yourself than to win 1,000 battles. Then the victory is yours. It can't be taken from you. I never see what has been done. I only see what remains to be done. The trouble is, you think you have time. You will only lose what you cling to. When something is gone, something better is coming. Every human being is the author of his own health or disease. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. Better than 1,000 hollow words, say one word that brings peace. Everything that has a beginning has an ending. Make yourself peace with that, and all will be well. Those who are free of resentful thoughts surely find peace. Your body is precious. It's a vehicle for awakening. Treat it with care. If you are quiet enough, you will hear the flow of the universe. You will feel its rhythm. Go with this flow. Happiness lies ahead. Meditation is the key. The past is already gone. The future is not yet here. There's only one moment for you to live, and it's now. Anger will disappear just as soon as the thoughts of resentments are forgotten. Avoid evil deeds as a man who loves life avoids poison. The tongue is like a sharp knife, kills without drawing blood. Three things can't be long hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. If you light a lamp for somebody, it will also brighten your path.